to my lifestyle. So today we are going to be using this ZeP cleaner to clean a grimy shower. So the ZeP cleaner is supposed to clean shower, the tub, and then also the tile. So hopefully it works. So I have tried a number of products that were meant to clean the shower, and they actually are not effective. So I'm hoping that this ZeP cleaner actually cleans the shower. So first, it says that we are to test the product to make sure that it's not going to damage the items that you are cleaning. The next step is to spray it onto the surface and then also onto your fixtures and your shower door. Allow it to sit for 2 to 3 minutes and then take a damp sponge or cloth and wipe it clean. So we're going to try that today. This is a better video portion of the quality of the glass tile and what it looks like. So hopefully once I am complete with the spraying and cleaning process, that this will be at least 80% better. Like I would love for it to be 100% better, but 80% better would be awesome. Also, I wanted to show you like the tub, what the tub looks like. So I sprayed some just regular cleaning solution, which didn't work, but I'm not going to talk about that cleaning solution. But this is not even dirt. This is like soap scum or something that's collecting there at the bottom of the tub. There was another product that I used and it caused it to discolor. Okay, so this is the video of the shower. As you can see, there's lots of soap scum. There is calcium build up, and it's just dirty. So it needs to be cleaned. And from using products that are not being effective, is causing the glass to streak. It's also causing the shower to have more buildup. Some of the tiling, the ground on the tile has cracked. If you see that there's a lot of soap scum on this window here. So I'm hoping that I will be able to get it clean. I'm hoping that I'll be able to get all of this calcium build up and soap scum off of this window. So I am going to get ready to spray it, let it sit, and then we will see what the results are after spraying and cleaning the glass. Now this is what the shower looks like after spraying the ZeP cleaner onto it. Now I am patiently waiting about 2 to 3 minutes before I take a wet damp sponge and clean it off. So we shall wait and see what happens. I'm really hopeful that it's going to break down everything, at least the hard water. We have very hard water, and that's really what's causing a lot of the calcium deposits onto the glass. And so that has been the struggle since living here. We even went through ARS and Rescue Rooters, I guess that's the same company. But we even went through them to get a water treatment system installed, and it actually made everything worse. So we end up taking that, getting that uninstalled because it was just throwing calcium everywhere. So we may have to look into some other treatments for hard water. But most of these deposits on here are calcium. Some of it may be soap scum, so we shall see. But right now, I mean, it's looking promising, but it's still just because the product is on the glass. So I'm really got my fingers crossed here that I really hope that this product works, because I have tried so many products, and I just decided that I'm going to do a YouTube video just to show if these products work, so you don't have to waste your time or your money buying all these products, because I have done so. So we shall see. So I went ahead and applied a second coat or second treatment of the ZeP cleaner, just because I could see that there were some areas that I didn't cover well, and so I wanted to give it a fair opportunity to work. And so I wanted to give it a fair chance. So I sprayed it again. So hopefully it will be at least 80%. I mean, with 2 treatments, I would think it should be 85 at least. But I'm really hoping that this works because I have tried everything. Okay, so part 1 of the test is looking pretty good if you see my reflection in the mirror. But part 1 of the test is looking pretty good. So right now I applied 2 applications of ZeP cleaner within one. Like I never followed the full step. I just applied it once, let it sit for like a minute and a half, and then I sprayed a second application. And so now the step is I just I wiped it with a damp sponge, and it left like a soapy film or foam on it. And then I rinsed the shower, all the glass. And so right now it's looking clear. So I'm going to use my squeegee to get all the water off of the glass and see what it looks like then, because the true test is once the shower is or once the shower has had an opportunity to dry, does it remain clear, or does it look foggy, or does it still have soap scum and calcium deposits? So so just bear with me. So I applied 2 applications of the ZeP cleaner, and I allowed it to sit for about a minute for between applications. And then once the second application was complete, I allowed it to sit for about 2 minutes. And so I went in and took a damp sponge and wiped just straight from the top to the bottom in each section, all the way around the shower. And then from there, I rinsed it off, rinsed the shower out. So this is the process now. This is what it's looking like. So my next step is to squeegee the shower to get all of the excess water out of the shower to possibly dry it. And so I'm hoping that it will remain as clear as it is right now, so that is the true test. Because usually I am able to get this to this step with any cleaner, well, not any cleaner, with some of the top cleaners. And once it dries, the shower's back foggy, or it has calcium deposits, or it just look like I just half cleaned it. So so the next step now is to use the squeegee, and then we will see what the results are. Okay, so I wanted to show you the final results. So I will say that this ZeP cleaner was probably about 60% effective, maybe. I did give it the 2 applications, so that's why I'm going to give it 60%, because I felt like I coated it very well. I will try it again another day when the shower is back dirty, so that I can clean it. So maybe by the end of the week I'll do it again, just to see if it's more effective than what it is right now. I mean, overall, at least it did get the glass cleaner than what it was. But I felt like it should have been a little better. I was expecting it to be a little better than what it was. So beforehand, I showed you this glass, and so although it looks clean on camera, you can still see that there's still some deposits like on here. And so, you know, like I was hoping that it would be a little bit better than this, like at least get this door clear, because this is my main issue. And I know like my husband can clean this glass door, you know, with honestly with any kind of product, and he can get it really clean because he may have the muscle strength, you know, to get the glass cleaner, you know. But for me, when I'm the person that actually cleans, I need something that's going to be strong enough to power through this. I shouldn't have to be able to lift 200 pounds to be able to get the glass shower door clean. So I don't know if it's a difference in the arm strength or what, but for this product right here, I'll say it was 60% effective. I will try it again. I think it was good for the, you know, for the value, considering some of the products that I've tried before, and they were said that they were supposed to, you know, clean calcium and soap scum and grime from the shower, and they were ineffective. So I would say right now about 60%. I may change this opinion later once I get a chance to clean it again. But I mean, overall, it's okay. I will use it again just because I already have the product, but I'm going to still be in search of something else that's much better. So if you know of a product that you think will work better than the product, than ZeP or any of the other products that I've tried, if you would just list it in the, that's just listed in the comment section, and I'll give it a try. But thank you for tuning into my lifestyle.